All right, so today my model was a three-time Olympian. Three times. I mean, if you go to one Olympics, that's pretty amazing, let alone two Olympics, let alone three Olympics. And not only three Olympics, but he also holds the world record in an event. How cool is that? You're a three-time Olympian and a world record holder? Well, today we did a minor makeover. Normally my model kind of wears his hair off to the side, but today what we did is we gave the hair some texture on top, took the sides and back short, but by giving it texture on top, it would allow my model to, one, dress the hair like he normally does, which is kind of combed over to the side, or two, wear it with some texture. So, definitely check out this haircut. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to put them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And go ahead and Google J.R. Selski if you're wondering who this three-time Olympian is. All right, thanks so much for watching.
All right, so here's the before of the haircut, and now here is me getting started on the haircut. So, as you can see, I'm cutting the top first. I'm taking sections from the forehead back to the crown and pulling straight up so I can create a square shape. I'm going to do this on the left side of the head as well as the right side of the head and create a nice square shape up on top. So now I'm going to start cutting the sides and back, and I'm going to cut the upper half of the sides and back through my fingers, and then I'm going to execute for the lower half of the sides and back scissor over comb. So right here, I'm just going to go around the head, starting from the right side, cutting the sides as short as my fingers allow me to go, working my way around the head to the center back, and then I will do the exact same thing on the left side of the head. So now I'm cutting the left side of the head on the upper half of the sides and back, and I'm going to start at the front of the head next to the face, working my way back to the center back of the head. So now that I have cut the upper half of the sides and back, it is now time to execute the scissor over comb. So I grabbed a wide tooth comb, and as you can see, I am now removing all of the hair on the lower half of the sides and back. Utilizing the scissor over comb technique, I'm starting on the right side of the face, working my way around the head to the left side of the face. If you're left-handed, you may want to start on the left side of the face, going the opposite way, working your way to the right side. Being right-handed, this is the most comfortable way for me to do scissor over comb. I always start on the right side of the head, work my way around to the left side of the head. right, so now I've grabbed my barbering fine-tooth comb, and I'm going to go through, starting from the right side of the head, working my way again all the way around to the left side of the head, scissor overcombing the outline, taking it nice and tight, nice and clean, nice and short. Now that I've completed the scissor over comb, I'm going to work my way around the curvature of the head, removing the corner that we've created. If we cut the top square and then we cut the side square, we're going to have a corner where the sides and the top meet. So as you can see, I'm just working my way around the right side of the head, and I'm going to do that as well on the left side of the head, just removing that corner so that the haircut up at the top is not so heavy. Alright, so my model has a ton of hair, and what I wanted to do is go through and texturize and remove a lot of the bulk at the top of the hair. As you may have noticed at the beginning of the haircut, we actually did not take that much length off the top. The reason for it is I wanted to keep some length at the top to play with, but I knew I was going to come in here and just remove a lot of the hair. Due to the fact that my model has so much hair, I wanted to give it some texture, so it's not just all of this hair sitting in one place. So I'm going in there, doing the twist technique where I just take a bunch of hair, I twist it, and then I close my scissors, not all the way, about halfway, removing a lot of the bulk. What this does is it breaks into the thick hair and makes it choppy, it makes it have texture, it breaks into it, makes it look piecey. Now, my model doesn't always have to wear it this way. He can definitely comb it to the side if he wants, but by doing this, by giving the hair this type of texture, it gives my model the versatility to change his style from day to day. so we are all done with the haircut, and I even got a thumbs up from a 3-time Olympian, which is super cool. Here's a quick before, and here is the after. Check out all of the texture that we were able to create on the top of the head by using the twist technique. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more future videos.